What's up guys, welcome to Superwowstyle. This is Prachi and in today's video we're going to talk about skin repair. Now before we move to skin repair, let's talk about this concept of skin's barrier function. What exactly does it mean? The skin's barrier function in simple terms is responsible for protecting your skin against environmental aggressors, external factors such as toxic substances, pollution, damage, chemical damage and things like that. It will protect your skin from all of these things. Now unfortunately the skin's barrier function can get damaged itself. So in today's video we'll talk about how to repair this broken skin barrier, how to take care of it in a very simple skincare routine. Guys, you can all do it very easily. It's all about using the right ingredients like I always say. So first things first, we start our skincare routine with a simple face wash, with a simple cleansing. For this you can use anything with hyaluronic acid, something with vitamin C. These are some very good ingredients to look out for. Now after cleansing the skin, we are going to go ahead and use a serum, for which I have with me the Nature Derma 10% vitamin C serum. Now vitamin C can be such a beautiful holy grail ingredient for your beauty routine, guys. It has so many benefits for skincare. It helps in dealing with dullness to make your skin brighter and glowing from within. If you have signs of aging such as wrinkles, fine lines, skin sagging, dryness, it can actually help in reversing that. If you have uneven skin tone, hyperpigmentation, photoaging damage, sun damage, it can help in dealing with all of that also very effectively. So vitamin C literally ticks all the right boxes. Why would you not want this ingredient in your skincare routine? So like I said, off late I have been using the Nature Derma 10% vitamin C serum, and full disclaimer guys, this was actually sent to me by the brand for this review and for this collaboration, but ever since I tried it out for myself and have been reading up a lot about this product, I am thoroughly amazed. So like you just might have noticed right here in the name itself, it contains 10% vitamin C. I love it when brands are open and honest about the percentage of actives, right? I need to know how effective my skincare products will be. I need to know what ingredients are there. I need to know the percentage of actives. I don't want to fall for marketing gimmicks and look for just something which is fancy and jazzy without understanding what's going to do for my skin, right? So I love that the name itself mentions very honestly and openly 10% vitamin C, which makes it very effective, by the way. It also comes with the natural biome boost solution. The natural biome boost solution basically tells me that this is something which is going to repair the skin's barrier function that we just talked about. It will help in repairing the skin's barrier function. It's a lightweight, fast absorbing formula with no parabens, sulfates, silicone dyes, no alcohol or fragrance. In fact, it actually contains persimmon oil, which helps to balance the skin's sebum production, protects the skin from sun damage, and with regular use you actually get a healthy glow. And do you see how quickly the skin absorbs it and looks absolutely gorgeous? Just so you know, by the way, this is a routine I followed just before sitting down for shooting this video, and this is how my skin is looking like right now. However, after the serum, like I always say, you always need to lock your serum with a moisturizer. What is the reason behind this? Serums contain very tiny particles that go into the deeper layers of your skin. That's a big thumbs up, but because these particles are so tiny, they can also sometimes escape a little bit. So you want to lock it in nice and good. For this I have with me the Nature Derma 1% Natural Biome Boost Moisturizer with Sublingana. So once again guys, Natural Biome Boost to help repair your damaged skin barrier. It also is great for people who are struggling with acne, blemishes, uneven skin tone, whiteheads, blackheads, pores and pigmentation. Yes guys, this one moisturizer will give you so many benefits once you start using it regularly. So let me first show the texture up close. It's a lightweight, fast absorbing formula with no parabens, no sulfates, no silicone dyes, no alcohol or fragrance. It's free of all of these nasties. It actually contains ashwagandha, known for its skin calming properties, and sublingana for the acne, blackheads and whiteheads. The skin just takes it all in and instantly starts looking so much better. It makes the skin so glowy, dewy, radiant and absolutely amazing. So we talked about face wash or cleansing your skin, serum and moisturizer. These three steps you have to do twice a day, morning and routine, as a part of your AM/PM routine. However, during the daytime, like I always say, please make sure that you use a sunscreen, because it's very important to protect your skin from sun damage, especially when you want to actually repair your damaged skin. Okay, so you don't want further sun damage to happen. For this, just take a little bit of your favorite sunscreen. Once again, you can look for something with hyaluronic acid, not only on your face but also your neck, your hands, your legs, whatever parts of your body is exposed. Really, always use your sunscreen, because sunscreen is so crucial. And yeah, that's about it guys. That's all you have to do. Just 4 steps of your skincare routine in the morning and 3 steps in the evening. And once you start following this routine on a regular basis, you will see the difference, because like I said in the beginning of the video as well, it's always about the right ingredients. No nasties, no jazz, just plain sensible clean ingredients that actually make sense. ingredients. So the brand is Nature Derma. It's a fairly new brand for me to try out, but I am really impressed with this brand so far because I feel like it stands for all the right reasons. It talks about the percentage of actives, it talks about ingredients. You have all the information right there. So as a consumer, you can actually make your purchases, your decision very, very logically. You know exactly what you're going for. So guys, what I'll do is I will put the links for these products, the serum and the moisturizer, in the description box below. You can check them out for yourself. Currently, they are running an exclusive limited period launch offer where you can save 10% on your purchases. So go ahead, shop now and take advantage of this situation to save 10% on your purchases. Like I said, links will be in the description box below. And guys, in case I've missed something, in case you have any queries, please share your questions with me in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you guys. I would love to know what you guys are thinking and answer your queries. And also on that note, while you're posting your comments and questions, don't forget to hit like to this video, guys. Subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Superwowstyle for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.